Salam everyone and Ramadan Kareem. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make Chana Chaat, or otherwise known as a simple chickpea salad. Let's get on with the video. So we're going to start off with 2 to 3 cups of chickpeas, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of potatoes boiled and diced, 1/2 cup of chopped coriander, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of Chana Chaat masala, which you can purchase at your local South Asian convenience store. Now you are just going to mix everything together and make sure it's all incorporated. You can choose to garnish it with some papri, which are fried dough wafers. You can also add some tamarind sauce on top, and this is all optional and you can do as much as you would like to taste. And that's how you make Chana Chaat.